Hello dear readers and subscribers. In the 21st century, an artist's website is essential for almost any artist. It can be the difference between remaining unknown forever and your first solo show at a renowned art gallery, launching your career and being rewarded for your passionate and hard work in the studio. The thing you must realize is that for artists, the artist's website is your professional artist's resume. It is your online and publicly accessible portfolio, and it is also an online business card with your contact information. So it is the online link between you and the rest of the art world. Here at CAI, we often talk about the unwritten rules of the art world, and there are numerous unwritten rules when it comes to artist websites. How it should look, how it should feel, and what information you need to communicate, and the things you must avoid at all time. Having the right website is crucial here, but before we can set up our website, we must also know with which platform we should build this website. Today there are numerous website builders. We are spoiled for choice, which also makes the decision a bit harder, because not all website builders are perfectly suited for our needs in terms of these unwritten rules for the art world, how our artist websites should look. For instance, businesses such as hotels and restaurants are very easy to use with Wix, and then there are e-commerce websites that use Shopify, or prominent art platforms or blogs that use WordPress. But what is the best website builder for artists and for their online portfolio, business card and professional artist resume? For this video and this article that also can be consulted online, we've conducted a full research in which we tested out the most prominent and the best known website builders for artists and have shortlisted the top 4 options for artists based on their price point, the ease of use, and the overall quality of the website builder. Here are the results. We start with ArtLogic, which is a very powerful, professional, but also kind of pricey platform or website builder for artists. It is kind of different than the typical website builder because it is actually a service designated for artists and galleries to have a well-functioning and professional industry-approved website. So here, in terms of ease of use, the service is terrific, the overall quality is top-notch, hence various established galleries using ArtLogic for their websites and established artists. But the price is very expensive, so overall, in the survey, it scored an 11 on 15. The least expensive plan for artists is $50 per month, which is a lot more expensive than the following website builders. Next, we have WordPress with endless possibilities and arguably too many possibilities. The thing is, for artist websites, it's actually kind of simple and straightforward. The things we need to enter, the things we need to communicate or share, or how it should look. So the functionality can be rather basic. And WordPress is so powerful due to its endless possibilities. But this is also the reason why it's a little bit harder to work with. The learning curve is a lot steeper. It's not an all-in-one website builder. You need to take care of the hosting yourself, then you need to take care of the theme and the design, and then you need to start to create the content for it. You also, for instance, need to install separate plugins for the technical side, the SEO, but also, for instance, if you want to have a slider or another way of showing your images, then you have to install these plugins in the backend of your website instead of having an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. However, if you want to have a drag-and-drop editor, you can also combine it with Elementor. But here, once more, it's not all in the same place. But the advantage is, besides those endless possibilities, that you can do it at a very interesting price point. It is to say, this is the least expensive option and it can also be very professional. However, it's a bit harder to get the knack of it. In second position, we do have an all-in-one website builder, which is the very well-known Wix. Wix is a great platform. It comes at a terrific price. It's very easy to use. A subscription at Wix comes at just $16 per month, and the overall quality is good. However, it is very comparable with our number 1 pick for this survey, and there the quality is a little bit better. So let's move forward. Our number 1 pick for artist websites is Squarespace, and I generally believe this is the perfect website builder for artists. At the same price point as the Wix website builder of $16 per month, and even a bit less if you use the promo code that we offer, you can build your portfolio, everything that you need, and the overall quality of it is that little bit better than it is with Wix. It is more responsive, it looks better, the design is a bit more high-end, and it simply feels more professional. And that's why we prefer Squarespace when comparing it with Wix. So overall quality is top-notch, the ease of use is top-notch, and the price is very, very good. So here we had a score of 14 out of 15. A lot of graphic designers also use Squarespace simply because it's so easy to use, especially for the more basic websites, which is the case for artist websites. So now that you know which website builder is your best option, I would advise you to watch our complete tutorial, our step-by-step tutorial in which we illustrate these unwritten rules for artist websites by using some case studies of established artist websites, followed by a step-by-step tutorial how you can set up your artist website in this professional manner using Squarespace as your website builder. For more information on the study and on these website builders, feel free to read our online article about this topic, and please consider watching our next video on how to set up your professional artist website with Squarespace. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Support us on Patreon, and please consider subscribing to stay posted for more contemporary art. Bye.